Let's just breathe together for a minute. Let's just take a second. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to fix anything or be anywhere right now. Just you and me here in this moment. Think of this as us having a little soul chat while it's either raining outside, sunny outside, cold outside, wherever you are in this world. Nothing heavy, just breathing together. Deep breath in for me. Deep breath out. Sometimes life feels like it's running so fast, we forget to even notice how we're breathing. It's like within these days, we're carrying too much in silence. We're moving and we're thinking so much things in our head. It's okay if you're in that space right now. It's okay. Whatever you're thinking, whatever you're feeling, just take that pause. Take that pause. Just deep breath in for me. Just really take it slow. We're gonna take it slow with this episode right here. With this video right here. We're gonna take it slow because what you're feeling is valid. What you're feeling is you being in the moment right now. What you feel is you not wanting to push yourself anymore in things that just don't make sense. You kind of want this clarity before you step forward. You want this understanding, this good vibe before you step forward. And that's where you're at. That's where you're at right now. When it comes to just letting things breathe, just taking that moment, that minute, that second, that millisecond to just breathe. And that's what today is about. So welcome everyone. Welcome back to the new episode. There's no name for this really, but these are going to be little breathers as we go through the days. And you'll see them come out different times, so make sure you have your notifications on to know when they come out. But this is just going to be that chat between you and me, nothing heavy, just breathing together. And right now, life is moving pretty fast. Right now, we're almost in, September 21st or 22nd. Actually, my bad, rewind. September 18th. Because I'm thinking of the new moon on the 21st. So actually, at September 18th or 19th, wherever you are at. Maybe raining, maybe sunny, but we're just going to be breathing together. And while life is kind of moving fast, you're going to slow down right in this moment, right in this video. We forget to even notice how we're breathing. We forget to even notice the things around us as we're moving so fast because we're just trying to get to the next. Gotta enjoy the ride right now as we get to this new moon solar eclipse on the 21st, another solar eclipse. So more of clipping energy, more of clipping season, clipping situations, things, people. You're going to start to acknowledge the moments, acknowledge the things that are really connecting with you now. You're going to start to really feel what connects with you now. We're just in this time right now where, and I also feel you guys are not the same. Everyone is shedding. Everyone is shedding those 7 layers of skin from the past 7 years. If you're feeling like you're just not in the same energy space when it comes to work, friends, people, things, anything, you're shifting. Shift with it. Don't be upset about it. Don't let other energies try to get you upset about it. Just let yourself flow. You're going into a new stage, a new level. Remember I said those games. New level. Ding. New chapter, new page in your book of life. Sometimes we have to normalize the struggle. I know we all have those days where we're carrying too much in silence, but you got to release it sometimes. And you can release it all with yourself, all by yourself. Just going through each file thing of a situation in your head as you're saying it out loud. And I feel like the best time to really release a lot of heavy energy is when you're walking, is when you're just kind of pacing and just removing it. As you're walking, you're letting the energy remove off of you. You know, as you're just, I mean, you can sit, journal, yes, but really releasing is just really grounding your feet and releasing a lot out of your throat chakra. And that is you just releasing all that silence that sometimes if you keep it in your crown chakra, your mind, your balance, it kind of festers off into its own script. And then you're thinking it's that when it's really not. So when you kind of say things out loud, or when you do say things out loud, you hear it. It repeats. And you may be like, why did I even think that? Doesn't make sense. Cut it out, clip it out, delete it. And then it releases from you. So you're not having that overwhelming on you. Just sit in this space. Just sit in this beautiful space. If you have your teas, if you have your whatever make you feel good, do that right now. This is a natural tea. So as you're just taking this pause, let yourself just pause. Let yourself just release. Let yourself just feel the moments right now. Feel the energy. Feel what's coming to you. Feel what you're trying to process right now during this time. Just feel it. This is why I wanted this first episode to be simple. I wanted to just be chilling, relaxing, just taking a little breather in whatever you're doing right now. Just a pause, nothing complicated. I wanted to create these little episodes where you just had a question running through your head and it's like, let me see what's up. You know, sometimes we have them, it's like, is it me or is it the energies out there? And just take a second to kind of reset yourself and put you back in that good energy that you woke up with and was going throughout the day. You don't need to figure it out all today. Not at all. Sometimes the universe just doesn't want us to know certain things. And I feel like a lot of you are taking that time right now to just relax and let you receive. Let you receive what you need to understand. Let you receive what you need to move forward with. And that's where I feel that where you're in this space at, it's not even that, it's where you're in this space at. It's just a calm space. So friend to friend energy, I just want to share a little small note with you. You are your soul's aurora. Take your time. You are your light. Just remind yourself. Sit down, breathe, relax, take a 2-second, 3-second, whatever time your time allows you to take. But take some time out of that 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock, however you look at the clock. But just take some time to just breathe. To just re-look real quick at everything around you within your white space light. Making sure things are balancing on your scale of life. If you've been feeling any stuckage in the solar plex, the gut, the intuition, the stomach, any tightness in the stomach, any soreness on the sides, that is a solar plex. Right now, that's working through. Right now, that is where you store a lot of hurt, a lot of feelings, a lot of energy. And that is also where we have our invisible red strings, our solar plex, our belly button, that's connected to all these strings out there in the world. Kind of like telephone lines, but they're invisible. All different colors to people that you are connected with. So right now, that is working for you, where you're starting to look at each situation and thing and looking at what you need to cut. Right now, when it comes to your solar plex, your gut, your intuition, your stomach, comes to those energies, those people, you may feel certain Things are pulling you right now. And that is why your stomach, your solar plex is feeling these type of real wavy energies, these pulsations, these cramps, these kinks, whatever you're feeling, that is your solar plex. Some other of you out there, I feel like your throat chakra. Stop talking right now. Give your throat chakra a rest. You don't have to have all the answers for people or energies or situations. If they don't understand you right now, that's a them problem, not a you problem. Right now, give your throat chakra a rest. I feel like the more you talk with the throat chakra, the more it's kind of just relax it. Give it a reset. It's okay. It's okay to go silent. It's okay to be still for a second. It's not like, oh my God, I'm not doing anything. No, you are. It's just sit still for a second so the energies, the universe, your root chakra, your feet underneath the earth can just kind of give you a breathe in, a little charge real quick, almost like a phone, charging it up to give it just a little boost. Because we're around so many energies all the time, pulling us when you don't even know they're pulling you. Connecting to us like leeches when we don't even know they're on us like leeches. So just take your time, okay? This is a little pep talk for this episode 1 because I feel like these little episodes are just going to go into a space of just understanding, clarity, balancedness, alignment as we go through this new moon solar eclipse on the 21st of September. All right, let's do a little mini meditation breathing. And I want you to just settle in. So let's get that deep breath in for me. Deep breath out for me. Here we go. We're going to settle in wherever you are. Let yourself get comfortable. You don't need to be in a perfect posture. Just let your body rest. Just let it flow. Just let it relax wherever you're at. If you're at your work desk, if you're at home, if you're wherever you're at. I'm just in my cozy little feng shui corner. Wherever you're at. Okay? But let your body rest. If you need to do that, breathe in, breathe out again, do it. To just relax. You're going to breathe in that awareness, my friends. Close your eyes if it feels good. Inhale slowly through your nose. Hold for a moment. Remember that. Hold for 5, release for 6, and inhale, exhale through your mouth, like you're letting go. We're going to repeat this 3 rounds. Ready? Let's do the first one, everyone. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Good job, guys. Breathe out. Taking that time to fill that space. If you're yawning, you're releasing energies that were kind of stuck in little ways. Beautiful. We all can do resets. We all can do recharges. Because the best thing about them is releasing stuck energy that's kind of been, like I say, stuck like glue. And stuck like glue where we can't really move. We feel stuck. It's blocking us. So, let's do this one more time. If you're hearing rain, if you're hearing cars, if you're hearing birds, if you're hearing owls, if you're hearing night insects, wherever you are, if you hear that blank, imagine each sound, noise, washing away the noise today, washing away that stuck energy today. Let the rain be a reminder, for that earth always finds balance. Like I said, with your root chakra or ground your feet, whenever you feel like you're floating in that energy, whenever you feel like you're floating in someone's energies, a situation, a thing, just go outside. If it's too cold, put some socks on. or your shoes. Just walk outside and just make sure you're grounding your feet. Take your shoes off real quick, put them on if you choose be. But grounding for 30 seconds and releasing anything that you're just feeling is stuck. Releasing anything, names, situations that you're just tired of just hearing in your crown chakra, repeating, sticking on you, trying to come back in your energy. Release it. And time after time, and you're doing it and you're grounding, you're releasing a lot of this stuck energy that's been stuck on our chakras. We're ripping it away, cleansing it to the beautiful light and colors that they are instead of darkness. Body release. Whew, we are releasing, and I'm so proud of you guys. Body release. I'm taking this slow with you so then you guys can do this practice on your own as well. But just understanding and processing everything at the same time. So this is beautiful. Now, body release. Relax your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Unclench your hands. Give yourself permission to let the weight slip off for a moment. And you can do all those cues just to help you. So let's do it again. Relax your shoulders. Soften your jaw. Give yourself unclench your hands. Give yourself permission to let all the weight slip off just for this moment. So whether you're at work, in the car, ready to go to places, you just need to relax the body, relax the shoulders, soften the jaw, unclench the hands. Give yourself permission to let all the weight slip off just for a moment. Breathe in. Breathe out. This was beautiful. One more deep breath in, my friends. Breathe in. Breathe out, a gentle exhale. Almost like you're blowing a flower. Not hard, guys. And when you're inhaling, it's almost like you're smelling a fragrance or a cologne. And then you let out like you're blowing out a flower. So you're not so hard, because then you go hard, you're going to get dizzy. You're going to pass out. And we don't need that, okay? So be gentle with yourself. Be gentle with your chakras right now, guys. This was a beautiful one, and I'm so excited for this little journey and these sessions where you're able to understand your breathing, understand your calmness, understand your alignment. I want to thank you for being here with me. You don't know how much it means to just breathe in and breathe out together like this. Anytime it feels like too much, come back to this moment, okay? I'll see you in the next episode. But until then, take this calm with you. And as I always say at the end, everyone, Namaste.